Hi guys, welcome to Betty Litch's Kitchens. We're back again with new videos as promised. Thank you for my new subscribers and thank you for the old ones. Keep on subscribing and we promise to be bringing more good videos. Today we're going to be doing a spiral video for my birthday. We'll be putting it together. We're going to show you how we do it and we'll get started now. Thank you so much and welcome back. Okay, we've pumped helium with the electric pump. As you can see, that's the electric pump. There you go. We've pumped our helium. So the next stage will be our balloons. So we're going to try and blow it up on our balloons, but it won't. We can't use the electric pump because it's a little bit too powerful for the balloons. We're going to use it for the helium. So we're going to try and do it now. So see you right back. Hi guys, as you can see, we've loaded up the balloons. We've got the pink color and the metallic color, which is metallic pink. So we're going to try and do a spiral for my birthday. So I'm just trying to do this myself because lockdown, a lot of things have changed. So hi guys, we've loaded up the balloons and we've got pink and metallic pink. We've got the helium. We're going to try and do a spiral because it's lockdown, so we're just going to try and do it ourselves. So we need the strings, which is this one, that we're going to bind them together. So I'll show you the step-by-step guide. So I'm doing everything myself. I'm doing my cake, I'm doing my decorations, and just how it goes really. So see you right back. We've got two balloons, yeah? Two. If you can see, one and two. So we're going to do it this way and then put them on opposite side, like that. that's the base, right? So together. So we're going to repeat the step again. So we're going to take 2 together, right? And then take 2 together again and put them opposite way. Like that. We're building a spiral, so it's going up. So we're still building and just doing them against each other, turning them aside. You see? So we're going to have 2 lot. You can see, standing up by himself. See, okay. Hi guys, this is our spiral. We've managed to put it together. So we're going to be vlogging my birthday. So it's on Sunday. Well, stay tuned and watch out for more nice and amazing celebration.